Hello students, good morning to all of you. Students, in today's class, we will discuss on the variation in acceleration due to gravity due to different situations. Okay, it is observed that the value of small g is not a universal constant. It will be change situation to situation and place to place due to some special conditions, which is first variation in g due to its, let's say, or we use here due to earth shape. Second, due to its rotation on, or we say about its own axis. This is first. Second, third, due to altitude, and fourth is due to depth. Okay, so as I would told you earlier, in the syllabus for this session, only the variation in g is due to altitude and depth, so we will discuss here only these two situations. Okay, so our first case is variation in g, variation of small g due to altitude. Okay, okay, let's say earth with center C, radius capital RE, having mass small me, capital ME. Now consider an object of mass small m which is at altitude small h from the surface of earth. Okay, therefore the total distance of this object at O from the center of earth is RE plus H. Okay, now for the initial situation, if the object is near to the surface of earth or on the surface of earth, the force acting on the particle is given by, or force of gravity acting on the particle is given by G is equal to Gm upon Re square. Okay, now the situation when the particle is at h altitude. Okay, so the altitude or height is changed from Re to h. Therefore in this situation, new acceleration due to gravity is g dash, which is given by g m upon re plus h whole square. This is situation first and this is situation second. Okay, now by dividing g dash and g, okay, so we get g dash upon g is equal to gme upon re plus h whole square and upon gme upon re square. Here we observe this gme cancel and we get the result is re square upon re plus h whole square. Okay, now from the denominator re taken as common, we get g dash upon g is re square and this re is taken as common, so we get the square also with it, 1 plus h upon re, the next situation, and here this re is cancel, we get the result is 1 upon 1 plus h upon re whole square. Okay, now from here we get the relation for g dash is g and this denominator is transferred to its numerator as 1 plus h upon re to the power minus 2. Okay, this is, let's say, equation third. Here by using the point g dash is g 1 plus h upon re to the power minus 2, here by using binomial expansion and neglecting higher power of h, that is h square, h cube and so on, we get g dash is equal to g 1 minus 2 h upon re. Okay, here we observe that two h upon re not equal to 0. Okay, therefore 1 minus 2h upon re is greater than 0 but less than 1. Okay, this result is greater than 0 but less than 1. Therefore we observe that g dash is smaller than g, and as the value of h increased, okay, the value of h increased, the value of re decreased and the value of g dash increased. Okay, for the value h is half of re. Okay, then 1 minus 2h upon Re become 0. For this situation, G dash become infinite. Okay, this is how the value of G variate with increasing height. Okay, this is the first situation, and second, for h is equal to 0, the value of G dash is equal to G. Okay, now if therefore G dash is equal to G 1 minus 2h upon Re for variation in G with altitude. So we say this is required relation of variation of small g with this is the required relation of variation of g with altitude. Okay, students, next and second kind of variation is effect of depth, which means here in the figure, if this is the center of earth, so OA equal to radius of earth is Re and OB is the point. If we say AB is equal to D, D is depth, okay, up to which the body of mass M is drilling inside the surface. Okay, therefore the distance OB is Re minus D. Okay, now students, we understood here. Consider an object of mass small m is placed initially on the surface at point A with the distance from the center of the earth is Re as OA equal to Re. At A, the variation or at A, the force due to gravity on particle or on object at A is given by G is equal to capital G M upon Re. Okay, here M is given by density into volume. This formula is equal to density into volume is 4 by 3 pi Re cube. So we can use this result here. This will get 4 by 3 pi rho G Re square Re cube upon Re. On solving this, we get G is equal to 4 by 3 pi rho G. This Re cancel this square time, so this we get Re square. This is equation first. Now when particle at B inside the earth at D depth, Therefore, acceleration due to left mass of earth on body of mass m is observed as g dash, which can be g dash at distance from center, distance from center OB equal to RE minus D. Okay, therefore value of G dash is Gm upon RE minus D whole square. 1 minute, students. Here I will just taking the value of this in place of Gm upon Re square, only Re, so this will become Re square, so this will cancel by Re time, so this we have only Re. Okay, now according to the same, this mass of earth is, again from the result, mass is equal to rho, this we can use 4 by 3 pi rho Re minus D cube. Okay, now this result become G dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi rho G Re minus D cube upon Re minus D whole square. Here we observe this denominator cancel this cube and the result become G dash is equal to 4 by 3 pi rho G Re minus D. Okay, this is equation second. Now by dividing equation second and 1, we get by dividing equation second by 1, we get G dash upon G is equal to 4 by 3 rho G 4 by 3 pi rho G Re minus D and 4 by 3 pi rho G Re. Now here students, this row cancel and we get this result is G dash is equal to small g Re minus D upon Re. Okay, now by taking separately denominator, we get 1 minus D upon Re. This is the required result. This is required formula for variation of G, variation of small g with depth. Okay, here we can understood very easily that d upon re not equal to 0, but value of d upon re is greater than 0 but less than 1. So we get here value of bracket 1 minus d upon re is greater than 0 but less than 1, which indicates here g dash is smaller than the initial value, and for d equal to re, d upon re become 1 and 1 minus d upon re become 0. Okay, for this g dash is equal to 0. This is the change in g as the value of d increased till the value of re. Thank you.